SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Dharamshala. With a team of highly skilled professionals and state-of-the-art technology, we offer accurate and reliable 3D scanning solutions to meet the diverse needs of our clients. Our services are designed to cater to various industries, including architecture, engineering, manufacturing, and healthcare. When it comes to 3D scanning services in Dharamshala, SCON Design is the name you can trust. We utilize advanced 3D scanning equipment that captures detailed and precise data of objects or environments. Our scanning process involves capturing multiple images or points of an object from different angles, which are then stitched together to create a highly accurate 3D model. At SCON Design, we understand the importance of delivering high-quality results within a timely manner. Our team of experts has extensive experience in handling complex 3D scanning projects and can provide customized solutions to meet the specific requirements of each client. Whether you need to scan small objects or large-scale environments, we have the expertise and resources to deliver exceptional results. With our 3D scanning services in Dharamshala, clients can benefit from improved efficiency, reduced costs, and enhanced productivity. By having a digital representation of their products or spaces, they can easily analyze and modify designs, detect any flaws or errors early on, and make informed decisions. This not only saves time and resources, but also helps in delivering better quality products or services. In conclusion, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd offers top-notch 3D scanning services in Dharamshala. With our expertise and cutting-edge technology, we provide accurate and reliable 3D scanning solutions to various industries. By choosing our services, clients can benefit from improved efficiency, reduced costs, and enhanced productivity. Trust SCON Design for all your 3D scanning needs in Dharamshala. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Dharamshala, offering high-quality solutions for various industries. With our state-of-the-art technology and expertise, we can capture precise and accurate 3D models of objects, products, and environments. Our team of skilled professionals utilizes advanced scanning equipment to ensure the best results for our clients. Whether you need 3D scanning for product design, reverse engineering, or virtual reality applications, we have the capabilities to meet your specific requirements. At SCON Design India Pvt Ltd, we prioritize customer satisfaction and strive to deliver services of the highest quality. Our team of experts ensures that each project is executed with precision and attention to detail. We understand the importance of timely delivery and work efficiently to meet our clients' deadlines.